Good morning, everyone. Today is the ninth session of this program, and today's topic is mobile GPS and use of mobile phones in mapping, and introduction to GeoPortal, an online resource information system. In this session, I will only discuss about introduction to GeoPortal and its defined types. The other part will be discussed by Bachaspati. Now, what is GeoPortal? A geoportal is a type of web portal used to find and access geographic information and associated geographic services like displaying, editing, analysis via the internet. Geoportals are important for effective use of geographic information system and a key element of spatial data infrastructure. There are various types of geoportal available, such as Bhumi GeoPortal, developed by ICAR, NBSS, and LUP. Bhuvan, developed by ISRO. ICAR GeoPortal, developed by ICAR. IIRR GeoPortal, developed by ICAR, IIRR. Now, we will discuss about Bhumi GeoPortal. The ICAR, NBSS, and LUP generated a geoportal called Bhumi GeoPortal, which provides a knowledge gateway to visualize, assess, query soil data, and disseminate the land resource information to the user. The user interface of NBSS GeoPortal enables to visualize various point, line, and polygon thematic layers on soil and land resources. In Bhumi GeoPortal, we will get information of thematic database like major physiographic units of India, sub-physiographic units of India, agroecological regions of India 1992-2015, agroecological subregions of India, agroecological units of Kerala, soil loss of India, soil resource database of 1:1 million scale and 1:250,000 scale, acid soils of India, soil fertility database of India at state level, soil resource database at 1:50,000 scale and 1:10,000 scale, and soil land use model. Under this, we will get land use planning also. Here, core growing areas, areas under major crops, land management units, crop-based land management units, national-wide, state-wise maps for 24 states, crop-based land management units, national-wide. Now, I am going to the Bhumi portal website, www.bhumigeoportal.nbss, or you can directly search it from Google. Go to your web browser, go to Google and just write Bhumi GeoPortal NBSS. And here you see the Bhumi GeoPortal page. From you can find the defined geoportal services like administrative units, socioeconomic data, livestock census, terrain characteristics, image characteristics, physiography, agroecology, soils, soil fertility, land degradation, watershed planning, land use planning, aspirational districts, soil health card. From soil, you can get India's 1:1 million soils database. Just click here and you can see. In broad scale, you can get less amount of information, and in small scale like 1:50,000 or 1:10,000, you will get higher amount of information. I am just showing you 1:10,000 scale soils. Here you click and select state Assam and select block. And this is the New Jorhat block. Here you can find different types of soil. And you can see here the details, the series, types, and so on. In 1:10,000 scale, there is a project going on, Arunachal Pradesh project, LI project. You can also see from here crop suitability. Just go to reference, state, select crop suitability, and select any crop. I am selecting rice and Assam. Here you see 4 categories of crop suitability: S1, S2, and S3, and N. S means healthy crop suitability, S2 means moderate, S3 means less, and N means no, not suitable. This is the crop suitability types of Assam. Of rice. Now we are going to the next portal, that is ICAR GeoPortal. Just write ICAR GeoPortal. And you see this is the ICAR GeoPortal page. Here you can also find different types: India, state and district, agriculture engineering, agricultural extension, animal science, crop resource burning, crop science, fisheries science, horticulture science, ICI Institute. I am just showing you only one example. This is the Rabi maize suitability area of India. If you zoom it, you can see it clearly. Same way, you can see the Kharif maize suitability area.
Please show the base maps for this.
Now, moving forward to the next example, there is another Android-based smartphone GIS application called PCZ Mapper or Potential Crop Zone Mapper. ICR, NBSS and LUP is engaged in resource-based agriculture land use planning for improving livelihood of the farmers of the country. PCZ Mapper is for easy visualization, dissemination and sharing of database on crop suitability and potential crop zone of the country. It derives information from the Bhumi geoportal. PCZ Mapper displays crop suitability in 4 categories, that is S1 highly suitable, S2 moderately suitable, S3 marginally suitable, and N not suitable. Now, how to download it? You just go to your phone's Play Store and write PCZ Mapper and download it. So please everyone download it from your Play Store to get information. Now, my part of this session is ended here. The next part will be discussed by Basaspati. Thank you.
So, thank you, Gitivani, to get about the information of different types of geoportal. So now I'm showing my part mobile GPS and how to use mobile phone or smartphone in advanced technique in field survey. So now I'm sharing. So this topic is actually discussed how to smartphone use in advanced technique and smartphone GPS in any field survey. So everyone always and use your smartphone and basically use your smartphone and GPS. So smartphone GPS mainly get information using smartphone GPS, position and coordinate, and distance and direction between 2 points, and travel progress report, and accuracy time management. So how to use your smartphone in field survey? So this one actually flow chart. When you create a base map or your project map, only vector files means shape file or base map, then first create one base map, then this base map convert shape file to KML file. So now I'm showing first how to convert a shape file or vector files in KML file. So already I am discussed previous class. Google Art one software, Google Art Pro, here only use KML or KMZ. Google Art file mainly support KML and KMZ file. So first I am showing. So previous class my friends also discussed how to delineate, how to create LLC mapping. So I am first open this file, land is land cover mapping. This one actually my shape file. So how to convert this shape file in KML file or KMZ file. So first open your base map, or this is actually my LLC map. If you create others map shape file, then you also convert this shape file into KML file or KMZ file. So first go to Art Toolbox. Just few seconds. Wait, just few seconds. After clicking Art Toolbox, then go to Conversion. Here you can see 2 KML. So this one actually shape file, land use land cover. So I am now convert land use land cover this shape file into KML file. So first I am convert this layer land use land cover and select output. For example, now I am select LLC folder and enter file name and click OK. So in this flowchart, mainly use first create a base map, then this base map convert to KML or KMZ file. After doing this, then you go to Google Earth. So this Google Earth actually one apps, smartphone apps. So first I am download this Google Earth apps. So now I am connect my mobile. So I am now showing how to import this KMZ file, this LLC file in Google Earth apps. So first I am now connect my phone. So first go to Play Store and type here Google Earth. Then you can see here Google Earth on the apps, then install. So after install this app, now open. Now you can see here this is actually Google Earth mobile apps software APK file. Then now skipped. So this is my shape file, and I also convert this shape file into KMZ file. So how to import this KMZ file in this app? So first click three dot here, sorry, this icon, then go to project, then here you can see open. So now here you can see one option import KML file. So now I click here. So I already transfer this file into my Android device or smartphone. So this one actually my LLC KMZ file. Then click here. Then here you can see this shape file location here. So now you can also get information one by one polygon. When you click this polygon, then you can see here this polygon class name, agriculture topland, and area also. This is so how to use this smartphone when you're going to field survey. So after doing this, then select dot sampling. So how to get sampling, how to locate sampling point. So now first go to your computer Google Earth Pro, desktop Google Earth Pro, and open this Google Earth Pro. So how to import a shape file into Google Earth Pro. So first go to file menu and select open. Now here you can see different types of file extension. Then select here all file, this option. So Google Earth software actually support .shp file. So this one actually my .shp file. So first select and select. So this file extension .shp. So when you import shape file, you can see here different types of others extension file, but you only select .shp file. So this one actually my .shp file, and select open. Now select yes. Now here you can see set name field. So here you can see here LLC class. This is actually my landmark class. So now you select here LLC class and click OK and cancel this dialog box. Now you can see here your vector features also import in this Google Earth software. So now check here and go to this folder and change styles. Go to properties and select style and color and go to share style, and now I'm change this color also and width to, and here click outline, then click OK. Now you can see this shape file, GIS shape file means ArcGIS ArcMap shape file. Now import into Google Earth Pro software. When you click here, then you get information saying this class actually agricultural cropland, and this class forest, this class plantation. So now this Google Earth Pro software actually not get your real-time location, but your smartphone get where you can identify your real-time location. So when you go to your field survey, so it is difficult to locate your profile point or ground truth survey point. So how to do this profile point using Google Earth Pro? So for example, this is actually LLC class. So first I am select here this person, and I am select your one point here, the soil or sampling point or ground truth verification point. So how to add this point? So first here you can see this icon, add place mark. Click here. This is my first sampling point or field survey point. So I am now at one point. Name of the point SL1 and click OK. Now you can see here one point. But when you create many points, then first create a folder, because this is actually one vector features, polygon features. So where you can select here save my place and save this vector features, then you save only one polygon features. When you create many point or point file, then first go to my place and click here and add one folder. So when you create many point, then first go to my place and add folder, and actually this called parent folder. Under this folder, child class means points like or polygon. So first create a main folder. My folder name sampling point. Then click OK. Now here you can see one folder is created. Now you add one by one point. For example, you first go this person. So add one point here. This one SL1. Now here you can see one point added. Same, you go to this person. Now you can see here one by one sampling point or point. Now add here. If you go to this polygon, then select here and name and name. So in this 3 point, my field survey point. So how to save? So first go to this folder icon and click here, save place as. Now here you can see KML or KMZ. You can select KML, otherwise KMZ also work. So I am now select KML and click save here. So this file actually called KML file, Google Earth file, Keyword Markup Language. So how to import this file in Google Earth Pro apps in your smartphone? First, I am showing how to export this file into shape file. So first, go to your Art toolbox and select here from KML. Now select KML to layer. Then here you can see input KML file. So I am now save this sampling file. This one actually, which is create using Google Earth Pro software. So I am select this sampling point. Then I am go to output location.
Hello, sir. Actually, I missed due to interconnection. Only please, what are done?
Okay,
Hello,
okay,
sir.
okay. So how to create KML file? Actually, it's got it or not?
That from Google Earth. Yeah, I
Yes.
know that.
Okay. After doing this one actually KML file. So how to convert this KML file into shape file? So first go to our toolbox, then select from conversion tool. First select conversion tool, then go to from KML and select KML to layer. Now here you can see input KML file. So first select input KML file. This is my KML file sampling point. So I am now select sampling point, then select output location. I am now select output location. You will see here I am select and type my shape file name. Only select folder and this one actually is output file name and click OK. Now you can see this KML file convert into point features. Actually, this is your 3 points using Google Earth Pro software. Then this KML file convert into shape file. So after convert, then this point export into shape file. So first right click here, go to data and export data and select and type file name. Save and OK. Now you can see this KML file convert into shape file. So this is actually your survey point or sampling point. So how to use the sampling point in Google Earth Pro apps using your smartphone. So same way, you convert this file to KML. So layer to KML. This one actually is point picture. So first I am convert this point pictures and save this point pictures. Now click OK here. So now this shape file convert into KML file. Now I am showing my mobile display. So first I am now transfer this file into my smartphone. So just wait few minutes. So this one actually sampling point file. So now I am transfer into my mobile. Now I am connect my mobile. So first go to Google Earth Pro. Now same way you go to project and open and import KML file. So now I'm select this one actually sampling point. So first click here. Now you can see this three point sampling point now show this Google Earth Pro apps. I can see here. So when you go to field survey, it is much difficult to locate this location. So how to get this point latitude longitude and go to this particular location. So first select here. First go to project, then this one actually hide project. First hide this. So first go to this point latitude or longitude. So how to know this point latitude longitude? So first go to here and first select here. This one actually point 1, point 2 or point 3. So right click and properties. So this one actually latitude or longitude. This point. So first I am go to my Google Map and now I enable my current location. This one actually my current location. So how to get this direction, this destination point? So first type here, if you know this point latitude longitude value. So I am now convert this point location latitude longitude. So first add here sampling point, then go to activate table, then select add table and add field and type x. X means longitude. So I select here text type and OK, and others field y. Y means latitude and select type text and click OK. Now how to get latitude or longitude value in this viewpoint? So first right click here, go to calculate geometry and click OK. Then select x, then select here degree minute second, or you can also select degree minute or decimal degree also, and click OK here and OK. Now you can see here this point latitude same way. You can go to field calculator yes and y and select degree minute second and click and OK. So you can also convert this degree decimal degree also. Click and click. So now, sorry, this one actually x and select here degree decimal degree. Click OK. Now you can see. So you can select here and go to geometry and select here degree minute second, otherwise decimal degree. So I am now use decimal degree. So first how to go this point, actually this actually your field survey point. So first here you can see here this is x and y. So now I'm type this latitude or longitude in my Google Map. So I am now first write this 267185 and 9428 0.08. So now I am showing and type here. So type first 26.7185, then type comma, then go to longitude value. means decimal, degree decimal 94.28088 and click search. And click here direction. So smartphone actually use mainly real-time location. This is the best features, but Google Earth Pro, this is actually desktop application. So when you going to your field survey and others purpose, so you can easily identify your destination for sampling point, and so you can also easily move this destination point or your sampling point location. So now I am showing this flow chart. First, prepare a base map or others map. Then, first this base map convert shapefile to KML. After doing this task, then go to your smartphone and install Google Earth Pro software. After doing this, then first choose your field survey point, means sampling point. Dot sampling point means point location. So using point location, so here you also select this icon and identify your field location. After doing this, then this KML file convert to shape file and identify using GIS, and then this point file convert to degree milliseconds or degree decimal. After doing this, then go to your smartphone and type latitude or longitude here and go to search button and start. Then you easily move your particular sampling point, destination point or sampling point. So smartphone is very important when you go to your field survey and others others field collected, other attribute data also collect from field. Then you use this smartphone, and this is also advanced features using in GIS field. So everyone use this software, Google Earth Pro software, or and most important features in this Google Earth software. Also, it is mainly use real-time location. When you go to this field, if you move this location, for example, this is your real-time location. This time you identify particular this polygons attribute. For example, what is the class in this polygon and what is the area, what is the location of this polygon. All details you can find using this smartphone. So same way, this is actually step 2. I already discussed. So this one actually Google Earth Pro software, and actually our field survey, soil sampling survey, this technique used. So this one actually one base map in Assam, Baksa. So this base map first create in Google in ArcGIS. After doing this, it's convert into TML file and import this file in Google Earth Pro apps. Then you can see every each polygon I define different types of attribute. And now when collect sampling point, so first select this point latitude or longitude and select here and go to direction. So this is actually advanced features in smartphone. So everyone use these apps and desktop apps also, Google Earth and smartphone GPS also. So this is most important features when you going to field survey. It is most benefit everyone. So thank you. This session now is ending here. So if anyone any queries, please ask. Okay. No, actually one scary here. Wait, the mobile phone screen is appear in your PC. Actually, this is actually used for our practical purpose, not used when you go to your field survey. Not only used in this technique in our practical purpose. So if you going to your field survey, so only use Google or Pro apps, not this apps.